And this is Amit. As you have appeared for second shift of April 2nd examination. So here I am with the expected marks versus percentile and category wise cutoff. Same video I have already uploaded for shift 1 also, in Hindi also. You can check the same video in my on my Hindi channel, that is Admission Academy, and soon I will be live on the same channel on my Hindi channel also to provide you the solution of your doubt. What are the percentile that you can expect based on your marks, and what are the possibility across India of college and branch based on your score. So let's continue this video. That is for 99.9 260 marks is required, for 99.5 230, and for 99 210 98 185 97 165 96 145. Here I would like to inform you, as I told you, lots of options are available across India based on JEE score as well as other entrance exam, Manipal, BIT, COMEDK, BITSAT, WBJE, AEEE. There are multiple examinations across India. So if you don't know about that, or if you want to appear in that and want the guidance how to get the best college in that, so I will guide you regarding that also once you register with my guidance. In the description all the information are available, kindly check it, and you can contact me through WhatsApp as well. So now next is 95 135 marks is required, for 93 115, for 90 100, for 85 marks is required, for 80 75 marks, 75 65 marks is required, for 70 55 marks is required, for 65 percentile 48 marks is required, for 60 40 marks is required, for 50 33, and for 40 26 marks only required to get the 40 percentile. So this was about the marks versus percentile. Now I would like to inform you about my complete guidance to get the best college based on JEE score. That is, based on JEE score there are lots of counseling, as you also know, JOSA counseling to get IIT and IT IIT JFTI college, and there is CSAB counseling after JOSA to get NIT IIT JFTI college, that is called NIT plus system, to get the good college at your score, to get the better college, that is better branch and better college. Both is important for your future career. So for everything I will be guiding you one to one, and also at low score how you can get the NIT by doing the best counseling. I will provide you, I will make sure that you will get into the best desired college, and also if NIT IIT is not possible, then what are the other government college you can get through the JEE score, that is through other counseling, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, and many other counseling across India, and direct admission also. Some college will provide you based on the JEE score. So I will guide you completely based on JEE score what are the options across India you have, so that you can get into the best possible college, and it will be 100% sure that you will be into the best possible college. And also I will discuss about the advanced cutoff, that is minimum how much marks and percentile you should have to clear the advanced cutoff. For general 93 to 94 percentile is required. Percentile will remain same in every shift, but marks will change depending on the difficulty of the paper. So 115 to 120 marks is required in this shift. For general OBC 75 to 77 percentile you can check sidewise. EWS 77 to 80, SC 40 to 42, ST 30 to 32, and PWD you just need to reach the center. If you have already reached in first attempt, you don't need to reach again to clear the advanced cutoff. But if you want to get the college, then obviously you have to get 30 40 50 percentile like this. In the detail you can check in my playlist of this channel, that is PWD playlist. Thank you.